2 days ago, I had a crazy idea to go somewhere, doesn't matter where. And I asked my cousin if he wants to go with me. And he said, "What did you smoke this night?" I don't smoke, I didn't smoke anything, I just wanted a spontaneous occasion. And I told him I'm going to wash my car and I'll see you after. And I washed my car, and I had this spontaneous idea to go to the sea. It's on the other part of the country. And I went home, I grabbed a couple of pillows, blankets, pants, whatever I needed. Like, I washed the car, and after a half of an hour, I was already on the road. And here I am 2 days after my crazy idea. And it's so beautiful. Yeah, but let me show you how it looks like from up there. It's a 6-7 hours trip, but I made it in 5 hours. And no, I was not speeding too much. In 2 weeks, I'm starting my exams. For those who are new here, I am a 4th year medical student. And in 2 weeks, I'm starting my exams. And I had 1 week off and I decided to go somewhere. I don't like spending too much money on fancy restaurants, on expensive hotel rooms, fancy food. So I slept in the back of my car. I made a small bed where I slept for 2 nights. And it was pretty comfortable, not gonna lie.
Okay guys, so I don't like to spend a lot of money. So this is what I made inside my car right now. And here is where I'm gonna sleep.
And many things happened in those 3 days, but I will make separate videos about those because it's something important and you and I need to talk about that. So let me show you my trip to Mamaia, Romania. I started my trip at around 8 p.m. and I got there at around 1 a.m. It was nighttime. Okay, so something amazing just happened right now. Let me show you. As you see on my Waze app, you see 2 police cars. And we were 4 cars. I was the 4th car. And they stopped all 3 cars in front of me and they didn't stop me. That's so awesome. I mean, I have my license and insurance and everything I need, but the fact that they didn't stop me, it's, I don't know, I feel great. I was singing all the time and I didn't notice how the time passed, and basically I got there pretty fast. And when I got there, I parked my car at around 50 meters from the beach, made my bed, and at one moment it suddenly started to rain. And the sound was amazing.
Now I'm sleeping in my improvised room and it's starting to rain. And I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound is so relaxing. I love it. Look. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining water.
Listening to the waves and to the rain at the same time is so relaxing. Woke up early in the morning, had a walk on the beach, ate something, and I went to the park.
How to have a vacation on a budget, and it works.
I put a blanket on the grass and slept for 1 hour. And when I woke up, I saw a 10 years old kid on a bench near me drinking Corona beer. He was 10. I was shocked for a moment. I approached him and asked him if he's alone and why is he drinking beer. And he started to cuss and I just let him go. He was so drunk, he couldn't stay on his feet.
Wow.
I will make a video about alcohol consumption in the future. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. In the evening, I went with my friends, with my new friends, to eat and to visit some places in the city. And we took the gondola, I hope that's how you pronounce it, over the city, and the view was fantastic. Take a look. On my way home, I saw 2 accidents and I stopped to see if the people were okay.
What is that? Nobody's here. I guess they left.
In the first car, there was nobody there. In the second accident, I helped the man. I drove around 60 kilometers to help him change the tire. So that man right there almost had an accident. His tire blew up and I stopped, and we are going 32 kilometers away to repair his tire. Of course, I didn't ask for money. A simple thank you was enough for me, and the thought that I was helping someone in need was the biggest reward for me. And I know you'll say, Oleg Oleg, this video is not medically relevant. Well, taking a couple of days off to charge your batteries is really important. And this is medically relevant. I have 1 month of exams ahead and I needed to recharge my batteries before starting to study all day, all night. And I wanted to share with you my experience. And I encourage you to take small trips to relax, to breathe some air, to take a walk, to do something outside your house, to recharge your batteries, like I did. And take small, cheap trips. Don't waste your money on something you don't need. Be wild, you're young. You don't need luxury to feel good and to have some fun. All you need is motivation and a little insanity. Stay healthy, guys, and don't forget to recharge your batteries. If you want to have a laugh, click right here. And if you want to see a day in my life and how busy I am, click right here. See you in the next one. Bye.